Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to see which are the safe side IT jobs that one should focus on in 2023. So as of now, a lot of layoffs and recession has been hitting the IT industry. Many people are not getting jobs. Even if they have got the job, they are working, but suddenly they get laid off. So we are going to see what are the demanding jobs in 2023 that one should focus so that their career is risk-free. They don't get impacted by this kind of things happening in the market. So I'm going to tell you about multiple job openings and multiple job profiles also. So, sorry, not job openings, but it's job profiles so that you can apply on those job openings. You can find them on LinkedIn, you can find them on naukri.com, and you can apply to them to those particular jobs and you can, get a job soon. The very first job that I would tell you is related to the data. See, data is very important when it comes to IT industry. Data related things, analyzing the data or, updating the data. So all those things pertaining to the data, related to the data, those are very important things. So jobs like data engineer, data architect, cloud data engineer, database architect, any database tool that you should learn, SQL, Oracle, then definitely your chances of getting selected in an interview will increase. So these are the jobs that I was telling. See, data engineer, data architect, cloud data engineer, database architect, and then one of the database tool that you will have to learn. Next important technology is cloud related technologies. So you can learn AWS, Amazon AWS, you can learn. It's available. The courses are available on YouTube, on Udemy also. Once you learn AWS, then you should learn DevOps. Why you should learn DevOps? See, DevOps is actually very useful when it comes to automation, right? And it's not only related to the test automation, right? Then CI/CD is there, right? So CI/CD pipeline. So whenever you create some new code, you do some development, and you push that code into the server, automatically the build gets created, the release gets created, and then it would be pushed into the testing server. But as it is automated, so unit test will also trigger. Same way for automation test also, all the automated test will also trigger, and once it gets passed, then the build will come to your own. So you know that this particular build is healthy, this particular build is safe for testing, is eligible for testing, right? So that's why DevOps holds a very vital role, a very good role in this kind of IT jobs, especially when a lot of this layoffs and all these things are going on. So DevOps people are in demand. Next is you should learn about AI, ML, and RPA. So artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotic process automation. These are things that are related to the AI. These things are in demand now. Recently, if you see ChatGPT tool, people have started creating courses on ChatGPT also. So ChatGPT and all these things are very important, and you should not have the fear in your mindset that should I learn ChatGPT or should I avoid using ChatGPT because ultimately it's going to take your job. No, it's not like that. See, AI tools are there in the market and they won't take your jobs, but they will make your jobs more easy if you know how to use them in a best efficient manner. So that's how you can use AI tools, right? When I say AI tools, so a lot of AI tools are there, and then you should learn RPA, machine learning. For machine learning, the very useful programming language that you will have to learn is Python, right? Then for RPA, you will have to learn few of the tools. You will have to see how those are working. Automation Anywhere is there, UiPath is there, Blue Prism is there, Microsoft Power Automate is there. So you can learn any one of this tool and you will get a detailed idea of what has been taught within that particular tool, or what is all covered and not covered, what are the limitations, challenges of RPA tools. So these all things you will come to know, right? So I just thought to create one video on the safe side IT jobs in the year 2023, right? So thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.